Okay guys, I wanted to walk you through this first assignment as far as clicking on a link and downloading a file, saving it, editing it, and then submitting it for an assignment and make sure everybody knew what was going on. So let's get through this real quickly. First thing you're going to do is you're going to click on modules. And that's going to take you over to this page right here. You want to be on this module to start off. Course introduction, start here. If this stuff is not showing, just click on this and it should all open up. So your TikTok assignment is right down here. We're going to click on that. Okay, it brings us to this page right here where it has all of the instructions for you. It says you're going to download the PowerPoint. You're going to complete the 2 different slides. You're going to fill them in. Let me know a little bit about you. Make sure that you save the assignment, because obviously you'll need to save it to get credit for it. Also notice the due date is 8/24. That's on Monday, so you've got a few days to work on this. So you don't have to hurry and jump on this right away, but you've got a couple days to work on it. So we're going to go down here and we're going to click on this. Click here for the PowerPoint. And it's going to bring this box up right here, and it's going to ask you where on your computer do you want to save it. I like to save it to my desktop just so it's easy to find. It's right there on the desktop of your computer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down here and I'm going to go ahead and change the name of this and put my name in it. Now, obviously, your name is not Massey, so you would put your name, TikTok, and then save it. Okay, you see down here, it's downloading it to the computer, so I'm going to click on that. It opens up the PowerPoint app, and it should, there we go. So you'll notice over here, you've got 2 slides. Here's your first slide, and then click here. There's your second slide. And before you're going to be able to make any changes to this, you're going to have to come over here and hit this button right here, which says Enable Editing. That's going to allow you to make changes. So I just clicked Enable Editing, and now I'm just simply going to follow the instructions. Look over here, it says Build Your Back to School TikTok. Pick a profile picture. You can use one of yourself or something from Google. Put it right here. Type your bio. That means just tell me about yourself. You can put whatever you want to. You'll put that right in here. And then it says things you like. And the 6 tiles, here's the 6 tiles down here, fill them in using things you like. This can be anything of your choice. So you can go on Google, let's say you like playing, I don't know, Fortnite. You can like download a little picture of Fortnite and put it in one of these boxes here, but fill them all 6 out. Please note, make sure everything is school appropriate. All right, then you'll go to the next slide and you'll just type in this information here, a little bit about you, your name, what you prefer to be called, and then just some various information here that you can fill in. Now, once you have filled all this information in, you're going to want to make sure you come back up here and hit this little button to save all of this information. So I click it, it saved it. I'm done. I get out of here. Okay. So now I'm going to come back and click on this blue button that says Submit Assignment. So I'm going to come down here and I'm going to click the Choose File button. I'm going to go up here and find where I saved this, which is Massey TikTok. Double click on it and it will add it right here, and then all I've got to do is hit Submit Assignment. I click on this little blue button and I'm done. Got some confetti congratulating me on completing my assignment, and you'll notice the button up here has turned into Resubmit. So that's telling you it has been submitted, and then if you have to do anything later to it, you can always come back in and change it, hit resubmit, and so forth. And you're done with that assignment. Simple as that, okay? So one more time, you're going to download it, save that file with your name in it, enable editing, and go put in all your information into that PowerPoint. Click on that little disk up at the top to save your information, and then close out of it. Come back to this assignment right here, hit submit. You're going to choose that file. In my case, it was called Massey TikTok. Submit it, and you're done. Okay. Hopefully that was very simple for you. If for some reason you're struggling with it and you just can't get it, shoot me an email. I'll be glad to hop on and help you figure that out. All right.